Okay, it's very complex, yet it can be very simple and easy for you. Yeah, all I can say about clinching is depending on how creative you are, but before you can go into that world and aspect, you need to know the fundamentals first. So usually how I teach people is very simple. When you start, what is a clinch? A clinch is when your hands is working, okay? Your hands, so for a start, you want to start 50-50. So where are you going to supposed to hold the partner or the bag? Right hand or your left hand, depending on how you stand. If you're orthodox, get your right hand to touch the neck. You're going to hold the neck. Your elbow is supposed to lean on the shoulder. Don't just hold straight up. Okay, lean on the shoulder, on the chest. He's going to do the same for his right hand. On my elbow, on my neck, lean. My left free hand, I'm going to lean on his biceps or his elbow line, and I'm going to lean down. He's going to do the same. Why this is called 50-50? I have control of him 50-50, he has control of me 50-50. So when is it 100%? It's when you want to be dominant. I want to get 100%. Both hands on the neck. My both hands on the neck. I have full control of him. He has very little control of me, so I have 100% control of him. He can finish it. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, this is 100%. So for clinch, you want to start 50-50, one on the neck, one on the elbow. See? Okay? Clinch also doesn't consist of just hands. It consists of how well you throw your knees and land your knees on your opponent. He can throw a knee on me. Boom. I can throw a knee on him. Boom. Throw a knee on me again. Bam. We exchange the knees. Wow. We work with the hands. Here we go. Go. Boom. 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 One more interesting aspect about the clinch is we can also do a sweep. Okay, so how are we going to do a sweep? We'll cover next time. So it depends on how well your footwork is, how well your clinch, your hand game is, how well your knee is, and your timing, and how you observe the awareness of you and your partner. That's all for clinch today.